Hello and welcome to the next of my videos on percentages. In this one, we're going to look at the first of the two different types of interest that you might have to find. So this one is called simple interest. Now, simple interest is basically when the interest rate you get is a proportion of the original amount you invested. So basically, you have to work out that percentage of the original amount you've invested, and it's that percentage that you're going to get every single year. So it doesn't depend on what's in your bank account at that particular point, as compound interest does, only on what your original investment was. So I'm going to do that again. I'm going to do the two on the left, and then I'm going to leave you to have a go at the two on the right. Right, so Amy invests £3,000 in an account which pays simple interest at a rate of 2.5% each year. How much will her investment be worth in 5 years' time? So basically, what that means is every year she will get 2.5% of £3,000. Okay, so to work out 2.5% of £3,000, we can turn 2.5% into a decimal multiplier by dividing by 100. So that would be 0.025. So to turn a percentage into a decimal, you divide it by 100 times by 3,000 gives us, so we can use our calculator. So 0.025 times 3,000 gives us £75. So what that means is every year she will get £75 interest. So in 5 years, so 5 lots of £75. So 5 times 75 is £375. So she's gained, £375. She's gained £375 in interest. So her total investment is obviously her original amount, which is 3,000, plus the interest. So she's got £3,375. Make sure you read the question. Sometimes it'll ask for the interest, sometimes it'll ask for how much the investment is worth. When it's the investment, that includes the original amount. When it's the interest rate, it's just the interest rate. Right, so a slightly different one here. Jack invests some money in an account which pays 3.2% simple interest each year. Over 5 years, he's gained £136 in interest. So this time we want to work out the original amount. So we know the interest, £136, and that's been gained over 5 years. So in 1 year, okay, we do 136 divide by 5, because that's a 5-year total. So 136 divided by 5 is £27.20. Now, that, remember, is 3.2% of the original investment. So 3.2% equals £27.20. We want to know what 100% is, because that would be the original investment. So, like we've done before, we're going to use the unitary method. We're going to divide by 3.2, and then we're going to multiply by 100. So do the same to the £27.20, divide it by 3.2, times it by 100, and we see the original investment is worth £850. Okay, right. Press pause, have a go at the two on the right hand side, and when you're ready, press play again and I'll go through them. Okay, so Louise invests £800 in an account which pays simple interest at the rate of 1.2% each year. So 1.2% as a decimal, divide that by 100 is 0.012. Times that by 800, that tells us how much she's going to earn each year. So 0.012 times 800 gives us a figure of £9.60. So that's how much interest she will gain each year. So in 8 years, so 8 times £9.60. So 8 times £9.60 gives us a total interest of £76.80. So her total investment is her original amount, £800, plus the interest. So her investment now is worth £876.80. Right, so Louise invests £2,400 in an account which pays X% simple interest each year. After 4 years, her investment is worth that. So what is the value of X? So first of all, we can see that if we do £2,904, take away 2,400, all right, over this time, she's made £504 in interest. That's over 4 years. So 504 divided by 4. So 504 divided by 4 means she's got £126 interest every single year. So we've got the original amount here. So that, remember, is the 100%. So 100% is 2,400. I want to know what percentage is 126 because that's what X is going to be. So this is the column we've got complete. So this is the one we're going to use. So we're going to divide that by 2,400. We're going to times it by 126, and that should give me my percentage. So 2,400, sorry, not 2,400, 100 divided by 2,400 times by 126 gives me 5.25%. So the interest rate X is 5.25%. And that is simple interest. Thank you for watching.